Hi, hola, bonjour, and Salaam. Welcome to Blueprint Bazaar. In this episode, Plastic Shredder Machine, Full Assembly Walkthrough. Part 13. We step away from mechanical constraints and shift our attention to visual clarity by assigning custom appearances to the hopper and rotating blades. While these changes don't affect the function of the model, they significantly enhance visual communication, making it easier to distinguish components during assembly reviews, presentations, or instructional videos. We begin by selecting the hopper body and applying a distinct, vibrant color using SolidWorks Appearance Manager. This helps separate the input module from the internal cutting system and improves on-screen readability. The hopper is the most visible part of the shredder, so using a high-contrast color makes it stand out and feel intentional in the overall design. Next, we update the appearance of the rotating blades. A darker, metallic tone gives them a realistic, industrial look that reflects their critical role in the shredding process. By applying consistent appearances across all patterned blades, we reinforce uniformity and improve part recognition at a glance. This short but essential episode shows that good design isn't just about mechanics, it's also about how clearly your model communicates its purpose. Stay tuned for Part 14, and let's keep on building our model. Please keep supporting us as we dive deeper into mechanical design and development. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss a step on this engineering journey with Blueprint Bazaar.